Get ready to inflate balloons quickly and effortlessly with this powerful tool. The best balloon pump ensures you save time and energy while preparing for parties, events, or celebrations, making decoration setup faster, easier, and more enjoyable for everyone. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. MOBNCET Balloon Pump. The MOBNCET balloon pump is a versatile and powerful cordless electric balloon inflator designed to make inflating balloons and other items quick, easy, and convenient. Compatible with DeWalt 21V/18V batteries, this pump removes the hassle of dealing with short power cords, giving you complete freedom to inflate anywhere, whether indoors, outdoors, at the beach, or during camping trips. Its lead battery power design, battery not included, allows for rapid inflation, eliminating the tiring effort of manual pumping. It's more than just a balloon pump. It also functions as a deflator, making it perfect for removing air from vacuum storage bags to save space at home. This makes it highly useful for events like weddings, birthdays, and baby showers, as well as for inflating yoga balls, air beds, swimming rings, and rafts. The pump's small and lightweight design, along with its sturdy carrying handle, makes it easy to transport. Safety is prioritized with its automatic power-off system that shuts down the motor if it overheats, resuming once the temperature drops to a safe level. The MOBNCET comes as a complete 5-in-1 package, including a balloon knotter, a flexible deflation pipe, and 4 different air nozzles to suit various balloon sizes and inflatable products. From standard party balloons to larger inflatable items, it handles them all with ease. With its multi-functionality, portability, and safety features, the MOBNCET balloon pump is an ideal choice for party planners, decorators, and anyone needing quick inflation on the go. Number 2. YIYIBYUS Balloon Pump. The YIYIBYUS balloon pump is a professional-grade electric balloon inflator designed for high efficiency and precise performance. It offers an adjustable timing function ranging from 0.1 to 9.9 seconds, allowing users to perfectly size balloons while maintaining consistency. This pump can run on battery power for up to 5 hours or be connected directly via power cord, offering flexibility for both mobile and stationary use. Equipped with a powerful motor, it can inflate various balloon types, including standard 260 animal balloons, smaller 160 pencil balloons, and even large 350 balloons. Impressively, it can also inflate double-stuffed balloons for those creating custom colors or designs. The high-quality brass nozzle ensures durability and can handle balloons of different shapes, including heart-shaped and smaller round options. An efficient linkage feature allows 2 pumps to be connected, enabling simultaneous inflation of 2 balloons, perfect for professional decorators or event planners who need speed and precision. Wrapped in a convenient tool bag, the YIYIBYUS balloon pump is portable and well-organized, making it ideal for on-site decoration work. Whether it's weddings, festivals, birthdays, or corporate events, this machine can inflate hundreds of latex balloons in a fraction of the time compared to manual methods. Built from sturdy materials for long-lasting use, it is an indispensable tool for anyone needing to handle large-scale balloon decoration tasks quickly and professionally. Number 3. TUQI Balloon Pump. The TUQI balloon pump delivers professional-level balloon inflation performance with an emphasis on speed, precision, and durability. It features a timing function adjustable from 0.1 to 9.9 seconds, allowing decorators to achieve consistent balloon sizes without guesswork. The power supply is flexible as the pump can operate for up to 5 hours on battery power or run continuously via a power cord, making it adaptable for both indoor and outdoor events. Its strong motor easily inflates standard 260 animal balloons, 160 pencil balloons, large 350 balloons, and even double-stuffed balloons for custom creations. A high-quality brass nozzle ensures reliability and can inflate various balloon shapes, from small round designs to heart-shaped and specialty balloons. The efficient linkage feature allows 2 machines to be connected, enabling users to inflate 2 balloons at the same time, significantly speeding up event setup. It comes neatly packed in a sturdy tool bag, making it easy to carry and store. The TUQI balloon pump is particularly valuable for large-scale events like weddings, festivals, birthday parties, and promotional events where hundreds of balloons need to be inflated quickly. Its high efficiency means decorators can focus more on design and arrangement rather than spending hours manually inflating balloons. Built with strong, long-lasting materials, it's a reliable choice for both professionals and hobbyists who need a balloon pump that can keep up with demanding schedules. Number 4. Wotalk Balloon Pump. The Wotalk balloon pump stands out as an incredibly versatile and powerful electric inflator designed to handle all your balloon and inflatable needs with ease. Featuring 3 specialized balloon nozzles, it caters to a wide range of balloon types, from standard 5 to 36-inch round latex balloons to long balloons like foil, mylar, bobo, double-stuffed, 260Q, 360Q, and even twisted animal balloons. This makes the Wotalk pump a one-stop solution for professional decorators and party enthusiasts alike. What makes it even more valuable is its multifunctional 4-in-1 design. Beyond balloon inflation, it efficiently serves as an inflator for inflatable equipment, a deflator for vacuum storage bags, and a sports ball pump, offering great versatility for a variety of household and recreational uses. Its airflow power is impressively strong, allowing it to inflate 3 balloons in just 2 to 3 seconds, deflate vacuum storage bags within 30 seconds, inflate pool toys in about a minute, and fully inflate air mattresses in just 3 minutes. This speed and efficiency dramatically reduce setup time for any event or activity. The pump comes with a comprehensive accessory set that includes 5 different inflatable nozzles, an extension hose, 2 ball needles, a ball hose, as well as a balloon cutter and knotter for easy and creative balloon art. This makes it perfect for inflating everything from yoga balls and swimming rings to basketballs, footballs, volleyballs, and even rugby balls. The Wotalk pump is designed with safety in mind, featuring an automatic power-off system that activates if the motor temperature exceeds 248 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing overheating and protecting the device from damage. Number 5. Electric balloon pump. The electric balloon pump is a compact, rechargeable, and highly efficient solution for balloon inflation, perfect for parties, events, and celebrations. Built with a rechargeable lithium battery, it offers up to 2 hours of continuous use on a full charge, freeing you from the limitations of power cords. Its lightweight and super mini size, only 12 by 15.5 centimeters and weighing 1.3 kilograms, make it extremely portable, so you can take it anywhere. Despite its small size, it's powerful enough to inflate 700 to 900 balloons per charge. The Carephy features both manual and automatic modes, giving users control over inflation speed and balloon size, while preventing overinflation and bursting. A high-quality copper nozzle is included, allowing for precise inflation of various balloon sizes, from small 5-inch round balloons to 160 and 260 long balloons. It's important to note that this is an air pump, not a helium pump. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to operate. Just switch it on, press the button, and start inflating. Ideal for birthdays, weddings, festivals, and corporate events, the Carephy balloon pump saves significant time while creating a festive atmosphere. Its durable construction ensures long-term use, while its portability makes it a great option for decorators on the move. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.